The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross continues Toyota's push into the competitive compact SUV segment, blending everyday practicality with modern design and hybrid technology. Positioned between the Toyota Corolla sedan and the larger RAV4, it offers a balanced package for small families, city drivers, and eco-conscious buyers. Exterior design. The 2025 Corolla Cross sports a refreshed, bolder look. It features a prominent front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that give it a sporty yet refined appearance. The red vine color option adds a touch of elegance and flair. Roof rails, stylish alloy wheels, and a powered tailgate further add to its modern and functional exterior. Interior. Inside, the Corolla Cross feels spacious and upscale for a compact SUV. It comes with a clean, intuitive dashboard layout, soft-touch materials, and available leather seats in higher trims. The rear seats split 60/40ths for versatile cargo storage, and there's plenty of room for both passengers and gear. An updated infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging keeps things connected and convenient. Performance. The 2025 model is powered by a 1.8L hybrid engine, delivering smooth and efficient performance. While it's not built for speed, it offers great fuel economy, responsive steering, and a comfortable ride. The hybrid system uses an electronically controlled CVT for seamless power delivery, making it ideal for city commutes and weekend road trips. Safety features. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 is standard across the range. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Multiple airbags, stability control, and a reinforced body structure contribute to excellent safety ratings, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Market position. The Corolla Cross is aimed at buyers who want a reliable, fuel-efficient SUV without jumping into the mid-size segment. It competes with vehicles like the Honda HR-V, Hyundai Kona, and Mazda CX-30. Thanks to its hybrid tech, trusted Toyota badge, and competitive pricing, it stands out as a smart buy in 2025. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross is a well-rounded compact SUV that delivers strong value, hybrid efficiency, and everyday comfort. Whether you're upgrading from a sedan or downsizing from a larger SUV, it hits the sweet spot for design, practicality, and safety, all in a stylish, city-friendly package.